What is up? This is probably the easiest mod for the E46 ever. So basically this is a air intake like scoop. This scoops air from the nose of the E46 into the air intake. This one I bought for like $30 from this website called NiceCNC. I know they sell they sell an expensive one, AFE, for like $100. But I said fuck that, I'm just get the cheaper one. It does the same thing. It's dynamic and it's nice. So this thing, it's wrapped in this bubble wrap. As soon as you get it, put that there. But it comes with these nice instructions, which that's a first. I never really get instructions from BMW parts. So let's begin. I'm saying this is literally the easiest mod to do. I'm gonna prove it to you. So you take off this, my clips, go figure, I lost them a long time ago. But look, see? You have these two, you got this one right here. Come on. First screw out. I'm only gonna use my hand for this. Okay, so I took it out. Now we're gonna install the intake. We put this in here like this. You just install these, the bolts back in. That's it. So I got both in. Yeah, now it's been a different day. You can kind of see it through the grill. I like that, but I can feel the air being more colder and better. I think the car runs like better. I can feel it. It might be placebo, it might not, but for me, I can feel it. It's super small, but it is worth like the $20-30 I paid for it. And I didn't get an AFE one for over $100, so it is what it is. It does the same thing as the expensive one, but it just puts the air into the intake, and it's better on colder days. Like the car just runs straight better. So I hope you guys enjoyed my video for my intake.